In this video, I'm going to show you the best ways to reduce lag on Marvel Rivals. So for starters, if you're experiencing lag, this could be due to network issues, and you guys could actually change that very easily. So you want to make sure that you're actually on the right servers whenever you're playing Marvel Rivals, and in order to actually change that, all you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, then go ahead and press on play, and then you will notice that towards over here, like in the top right, you will notice that we will actually get the server selector. And basically, you just want to make sure that all these servers you are selected on is green. So notice how they have the green icon right here, for example, like Dallas, North Virginia, and Oregon. That is basically the types of servers you want to join, the ones with like green icons and stuff like that. So obviously it might be different for you. For example, it would not be a good idea for me to join a Tokyo server because I would experience significant lag. And it will also indicate that by the red number right over here. So yeah, just make sure you go ahead and join the proper servers, and all you need to do is go ahead and just confirm it like so. But guys, another way to actually check your network is actually by going to settings like so. Then we're going to go ahead and just press on settings. Then we're going to go ahead and scroll down until you get this option that says other. And over here, we will get the option to run a network diagnostics. And over here, it will provide us with like any type of issues that are going on with our internet and stuff like that, because that's really important. It's going to tell you how many packets you're losing. It's going to tell you your ping. And basically, the higher ping you have, the worse it is. So you want to aim for low ping. And as you're able to tell, we actually are getting pretty good results thanks to this server. So as you're able to tell, it actually does work. But that is not all, guys. Another source of lag could be the game graphics. So in order to actually change this, all you want to do is you want to go to this tab that says display. And on the PS5, which is the platform I'm currently using on, it will automatically be set to standard mode. And this is really good. You're able to get like 60 frames per second, but the graphics are very intense. And sometimes standard mode is just way too like overwhelming or too like, demanding. So you guys could change standard mode to HFR mode. And so yeah, you may need to restart your game, but ultimately HFR mode will allow you to actually run your game at 120 frames per second. So that is definitely pretty cool. But keep in mind, you will need a 100 or 20 hertz or greater display to experience the full effect. There could be many other reasons as well. For starters, you want to make sure that you always have the most recent and up-to-date version of Marvel Rivals. And also, you just want to make sure that your router isn't fried or anything like that. You just want to make sure that your router is in good condition, because lag could very well come from Wi-Fi issues. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.